In this video, we're gonna show you how to return Verizon Fios equipment. First, prepare the equipment. Gather all the equipment you are returning, including set-top box, routers, remotes, etc. Make sure they are in good condition and include all associated cables and accessories. Then packaging. Place the equipment in the original boxes if possible, or use sturdy packaging to ensure safe transit. After that, labeling. Include your account information and any return authorization on the package or label. Then shipping. You can usually return the equipment to UPS or FedEx using a prepaid shipping label provided by Verizon. Alternatively, you may drop it off at a Verizon store if that option is available. And the last one is confirmation. Keep any tracking numbers or receipts provided by the shipping carrier to confirm that the equipment has been returned. So that's how you can return Verizon Fios equipment.